Hi guys, welcome to this video. My name is Abdulrazak Yahaya from fastnova.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you 5 steps on how to start online marketing in 2024. A strategic, profitable, non-disturbing online marketing in 2024. So if you want to launch an online business in 2024, or you have an online business already but you want to scale, you want to give it strategies which can let you make profit from it, or which can take your business to the next level, then this video is for you. So keep watching as I'm going to give you top 5 ways on how to start profitable online business in 2024. Let's get started. Step number 1 on how to start an online marketing is find a niche. Niche is something that you are good at. What are you really good at? What can you deliver? What product or service can you make to people for exchange of their money? If you are good at servicing, then deliver your service to them. If it is a product you can produce or you can produce and sell it to make profit from it. This is what we call niche. Find your niche first before you dive into the world of online marketing, because online marketing is very wide nowadays, and if you go there you see different products and services. So if you want to start, ask yourself first, what am I really good at? What can I do for people to get their money? What can I do for people that they could be glad and give me their money for exchange of what I did for them? So deep down to think about how to find your niche is very important. If you don't find it, then the next 4 steps are not for you. The first step to start an online business or anything is find your niche. Like when you were in primary school or when you were a kid, like 7 to 14 years, what were you good at? What were you be liking to do even if you don't get paid? So that is your niche. Find your niche first. And if you're a student, start your business online. Find your niche, helping your students, your fellow students do their assignments, all these things that you are doing. The subject which you are good at is what your niche is what your natural talent is, because God is the one who gives niche to people. So what you are good at, what you love doing, that's your niche. And how many people in this location, in this region are going to patronize me, are going to buy from me? These are what you should think about in the step number 2. Do market research. Market research in marketing, it means going out to your geographical location, your community, or where you want your business to stay, and find out the people that are living there. It's your niche. You're focusing on underage individuals like 14 to 10 years, 14 to 20 years, 20 to 30 years. What type of people are you going to be selling your product or service to? This is market research. Do it first after you have known your niche. It's going to help you a lot to know how many people you are going to sell your product or service to, and how much profit you are going to make. This is very important. Do market research. That is step number 2. Step number 3 on how to start an online business is conduct a competitive analysis. No matter what niche you want to start, people are there before you. Anything you want to do in business, people have done it before. In fact, people are currently doing that same location to the same customers with the same price, etc. So anything you want to do, people are doing it before you want to start. As a matter of fact, it is people that are doing it before you started intending to do that business. Okay, so the next step you should do, that is step number 3, is conduct a competitive analysis. Look for competitors that are around that place, that are in that location, selling the products which you want to sell in that location to the same customers with the same price, with the same qualities. Conduct the analysis. What competitive things can you have to compete with them? Because as philosophers say, if you don't have what to compete with, don't compete. In your business that you are going to start, your products, you know that other people are selling it already with the same price or less price than your own. In fact, they have got a reputation more than you. They have been in business for years, they have customers, they have great qualities, products or services, and you have just started. So they are more competitive than you. So when you want to start this business, it can't be oversaturated. No matter how saturated the business is, chances are people are diving in. So you want to find your position in that location, like in a meeting like this or in an auditorium. People are filled in the room. No matter what happens, a guest can enter. So you are a guest in business, people are there before you, and they are in the auditorium already. but you are a guest from other location, or maybe they have been waiting for you, then you can dive in and they will find seat for you. In fact, they can let someone from them go out because of you. So that is what a business is all about. I hope you understand this philosophy. So I'm a very logical person. I want you to understand this logically. That's why I explain it to you. So find your competitive analysis. As they are waiting for you, come with a great services or great product to render to them. If they find out that you are not good, they will not let any one of them go out for you. The room will be saturated and they will tell you that go out, no room for you, because you devalue yourself. So go into the market with a valuable things, valuable products or valuable services. That's what you want to do in step number 3. Conduct a market research. What competitive thing can you have to compete with those customers that are there? Is it in terms of customer service? Is it in terms of delivery of your products to the customers? Is it in terms of price? Is it in terms of qualities? So conduct this one analytically before you start. If it is on customer service you are good or better than them at, then start providing a great customer service for your customers when you are there. Before you start, try to locate some of the highest competitive businesses in your business and go to them and try to behave that you are their customers, to find out what they are really offering, to know their price, to know how they treat customers, to know their qualities, to know their customer service, everything. Make sure to know at least 75% of what they are doing so that you can compete with them analytically in the future when you start. Customer or competitive analysis should be in your marketing research, in your business reports, business planning. It should be in it. How competitive are your competitors? What competitive things do they have more than you, or what do you have currently that you think that you can compete better than them in the marketplace? So this is step number 3. Step number 4 on how to start an online business is learn online presence, like a website, blog, social media handles, etc. Try to learn them as much as possible, because you are a startup and you don't have money hiring other social media influencers, social media web designer, etc. So you have to learn the basic skill that you can lay your hand on to get online presence. Like website is very important, blog is very important. If your business is having product or services or tools, you have to make use of blog to discuss with your customers how they can use your products, how they can use your services, how they can use your tools. This is where step number 4 comes in. Learn websites, blogging, social media advertising, so that you can help reduce the price you will pay for other people to do this one for you. It is not compulsory, but if you don't have money, you are a startup. I know many startup entrepreneurs, they want to manage money. In fact, they don't have money, so they want to manage money. So if you learn this one, it will be good for you. I have a quality step-by-step guide for you on how to get an online business, blog, website, mobile application, etc. In fact, I'll teach you how to do digital marketing, online marketing on my website. Visit fastnowhat.com. You will know how to do it. So that is step number 4. You don't have to be hiring anybody to do something for you on your website. You can learn the basic skills like how to create a website, how to get a contact form on it, how to write about us page, how to write a contact us page, everything on it about your business. You have to get it before you start. Some of your competitors do not get it, so if you get this one, you are more competitive than them in the marketplace already. So that's why I advise you to get online business, learn website, etc. That is step number 4, and it's going to help you build an online business in 2024 and you will earn money from it as far as possible. Step number 5 on how to start an online business in 2024 is be productive. It is the last step we have in this video for you. Be productive. You are about to start business. Be productive. Learn how to create a quality product or services first before you start. If you are not productive, people will not patronize you. It is your product they are coming to. It's not the beauty of your website, it's not the beauty of your face or your staffs, it's not the beauty in your sales presentation. It is what you are offering matters. What services are you doing? What products are you selling? So this is your product. Be productive, learn to add qualities to it. Because many people are trying to jump into an online business and in a few days they'll become rich. This is what they think. No, it does not happen like that. If it works for some people, it's not everybody it works for. So do not think that if you jump into an online business today, in the next few days you will become rich, start making money more than your friends who have not started online business yet. This is not how it works. If you are thinking like this, you are thinking in a wrong way. Consider about physical business that we are doing. We are selling in the marketplace. It is what you are selling that people will buy, and it is the rate of their buying, the direct proportion of their buying determines your profits, your improvement, your development, your sales, living, etc. So be productive, selling something, offer something to people, surely you get paid. Small commission piles up to thousands or huge commission. By receiving this commission step by step, small, then be keeping it, be saving it, be investing it in your business. Surely you will soon become an online successful businessman. Okay, one of my mentors says, Brian Tracy says, any outstanding success in the world starts with small success. It is a small success you are seeing in your business, small percentage, small commission that you are getting from referrals, from your customers, from other people that you are piling up together before it becomes a huge success. So every successful man started with a small success. Do not think that if you jump into an online business today, you'll start making money. As a matter of fact, successful people are not after that one. You want to think long term, from 1 to 7 years, 7 to 10 years. This is what you think for your business to mature, for people to start trusting you, because if you start business, other people are there before you started. So the customers who are with them now, who cannot leave them and start patronizing you. So you have to build trust first, like 1 to 3 years. They'll be seeing you every time, serious with your business. Your customers that are buying it are happy. They are hearing from people that are using your product or services. Then little by little, they will start buying your products. Before you know, they leave their customers and start patronizing you. That is what business works. Things like an entrepreneur. So if you know that this video has helped you, please subscribe to this channel for more digital marketing updates from me. Share this video with your friends. Click a like button or like icon and comment with any question you have to ask. I, Abdulrazak Yahaya, will reply to your comments. If you need to watch videos, I will create or recommend videos to you. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. So help me grow this channel. It is new now, you know. Help me share it with your friends on social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, you name it. So by doing this way, I know that you are helping me a lot. Thank you for watching and God bless you. See you in the next video.